What's in this box? What did Ninny send me this time? Stay with us and you'll find out soon enough. I have just received another parcel from Ninny's Napkins, and I thought I would just open it up and show you the goodies inside. As you can see, well labelled and well packaged. Also inside is a list of everything that's supposed to be there, and usually I will go through that list and make sure I've got everything. So I'm now going to open these out and show you what I have. That's all napkins, and then I've got that there too. So let's have a look. In this brown paper bag, looks like rice papers, yes. Now the names of them will be coming up on the screen because I can't remember the names of them all. But look at these. Isn't that adorable? They are so cute. I love these new ones with the faces. I think I'm going to use them in my art journals. And then we've got these beautiful, beautiful floral ones. A nice big bee there. And then, oh, look at that. And the owls. And then these lovely owls as well. They'd look nice on card fronts as well. So there's a few things we can do with those. So there are the rice papers, and now I'm going to get into the napkins. I got some different sizes this time, not just your standard 5-inch or your standard 6.5 by 6.5. I got a lot of those, but I got some other ones as well. So we'll look at these 6.5-inch ones first, and then I'll show you these other shapes. Now this one says Hello Autumn. And as you can see by that, it's got the same picture 4 times. These sunflowers are beautiful. They're quite large. Let's see what this looks like. So the same picture 4 times, but there's a left and a right with those. So that could be very useful depending on which page you want to put them on. Now the good thing about Ninny's Napkins is that you can see what these look like on the website before you purchase them. And that's always really, really helpful depending on what your project is. This beautiful deer for Christmas. So there's 4 of them. We've got left and right with those as well. Now this is a nice continuous spring flowers picture. I love this sort of thing because it's just so useful in a lot of the projects, especially on my pots and in my art journals. And I'm now doing some mini journals too. Now I know I've got a few different butterflies in here. These are a really tiny butterfly, but then I've got some larger ones as well, and that is, it's all 4 sections are the same. So I've got lots of butterflies to add to other pictures there. This little bird with the autumn tones is lovely, and there is a left and right version for those, and then with these lovely autumn leaves, and they're just all 4 the same. Now I love this little guy, isn't he so cute? That's adorable, and there's 4 of those on the one napkin. And Christmas coming up, I loved these snowmen, and there is a left and right version for those too, and the lovely red barn. Oh, and there's a green barn as well. Well, look at that. And you could make that a continuous picture if you wanted to. So how's that? I'd just separate that. Oh, yeah. I'd probably just paint over that and get a trunk in there. And you've got that lovely continuous picture there. These are cute. And I could see these on Christmas cards. Really nice. It's the same picture on all 4 sections. And these are they robins? Cardinals. You call them cardinals. We don't have them in Australia, but they're beautiful birds. There's a left and right version to that as well. And I love this circle. Oh, nice. Very nice. Now, Christmas kittens. Everybody has to have Christmas kittens. You can't not have Christmas kittens. So, and there's a left and right version for that as well. Now, there's a couple of different sunflower pictures. This is a really sketchy one, and I quite like the look of that. Let's see if we opened it out, if they're all the same, or whether we can make a continuous flower spray. No, they're all the same. So there's 4 separate pictures there. Now, I thought this was particularly nice because it's a big overall pattern. Look at that. That's lovely. You could even have it just like that as a continuous picture, but that's nice. And I love things with little birdhouses in them, and we've got a left and right version of that too. This is nice. The colours are so soft and pretty. The grey, white and red, and it's a soft red, more a peachy, pinky red. That's just so lovely. Here's some little butterflies again, and some lavender. Welcome to our home. That's really nice, and I think they're all the same. Not sure if we can get a left and right. Yes, we've got a left and right version to that as well. There we are. And I thought this wreath with the bee in it's quite nice, and that rice paper we had with the honeycomb, we could put those together in something and it would be nice. Now here's some more butterflies, and let's open this out and see what it looks like. I think all 4 sections are exactly the same. Yes. And I've got 2 of those, so I've got plenty of butterflies to play with to add to other designs. Now let's have a look at the other sizes we've got here, and the sizes will be written up on the screen as well. I've got these little tiny ones here. If you have a look at these little fellas, aren't they cute with all those little tiny pictures? These are perfect for card making size. That's the full napkin there that you're seeing there. So perfect for a full card. Now this has got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could do Christmas coasters too. Some nice Christmas coasters. You know how I did the fridge magnet coasters? That could be very nice. It look good on your fridge, and then you can pull them down to use if you want them as coasters. Now the other one I've got here is this cute little dog, and let's see how many dogs we get on this. 4. There we are. 4 little puppy dogs on that, which is quite nice. Now these are 5-inch napkins, and those beautiful autumn tones would go well with those larger ones I had over here with the autumn leaves. Look at that and that together. Even that and that might go well, but I think those 2 suit each other really well. So you could mix and match with those. I love these peacock feathers. Had to think for a minute there. Nice peacock feathers. There's a left and right, and they're not both the same. See, that one going off to the left is a different version. That one's a skinnier, longer one, and that's a shorter, fatter one. Now these are nice too. Hydrangeas, and there's 4 of the same on the one napkin. These little bees would go well with that honeycomb we saw in the rice paper, and that little circular bee pattern on the 6.5 by 6.5 inch. That's a nice background for something. It'll be good in your art journals, just as a basic background to start your journal page. I thought these flamingos are nice. I always like flamingos. And see, you've got that big one there, and you've got a left and right version there, and you could have that continuing on however you wanted. And then you've got this lovely one here, and let's see if we've got a left and right. Yes, we've got a left and right for that one as well. And then we've got these lovely little roses here. That's very pretty. So there's my little 5 by 5 inch. And now we've got these ones, which are a different shape again. They're longer and taller. So that's 1/2, and that's a large picture. I like that. And you've got the same on both sides. So you could do a lot with that. Now these hydrangeas too are really, really nice. Look at that as a big continuous picture. Beautiful. And then this little bird one, or bird's egg one, that could be interesting. Very interesting. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. And then this one, I'm not sure whether that's wisteria or lavender or what, but it's beautiful. Now basically that's the half, a sheet. And then the lucky last are these lovely shells. If you're into sea themes or sea life themes, I haven't done much with this sort of thing, but all those shells are beautiful. And Yeah, that could be really nice. That's lovely. Okay, so that's what I got out of the box from my stash this time. So if you want to purchase any of these napkins from Ninny's Napkins, just check the link below this video and there'll be a link to the shop and a discount code. So if it's your first time to purchase, you can receive 10% discount as a thank you for shopping with Ninny. If you're enjoying what you're seeing today, please like and subscribe. That helps me to know what you would like to see more of, but also you can be updated with any future videos from me, and you won't miss out on all the fun and the goodies.